Alright guys, here's how that's got some white powder here. Somebody's gonna make a snorting joke or something. But got some flour, that's what this is. It's not explosive material, it's just flour. Got my big spoon here. So can't wait to go get some dinner, I'm hungry. That's explosive powder right there. Ah, I could have been doing it like this whole time. And got that big spot of gas. Really want to get that clean. Okay. This has been like this forever. It's not gonna rain for a couple days. This is from the steel chainsaw when we did a repair video. This is all oil spread out. I'm not using a piece of china to do this, guys. Just an old spoon. So that whole area was full of stuff, and here, just take it. Let's show y'all here. Here's that oil spot. Now, when we first got this floor redone, there's an oil spot right there. This is here from the tire, that's from the tire. That was from a mower, no, that one's from a mower, that's from a grease gun. This is from just grease. And there's some little drips, there's like a little drip right there. There's something leaking on the tractor a long time ago. And like right there for one time, it sat. It just had that problem. That is from that. There's been grease in it, so I just kind of let it drip. Who cares? The tiller. Oh dang. May have found the culprit. There's a little gap. That's really not a leak. Yeah, guys. That machine leaks gas. That machine used to leak gas. That thing there leaks oil like dipsticks. It does that if you loosen up one some. And I need these. So I figured, guys. So if y'all ever have an oil stain, if you've got a truck, if you've got an old tractor, like an old 4020, you park on a surface, you park an old tractor, it's got a big hydraulic leak or something, and you know, if you get that fixed or something, or you just want to keep putting this down, then you won't have these stains on your driveway or concrete. You can put them inside sheds, then rats can come in, but that is a big spot. There's some spots. There's 3 spots right there. There's a little spot right there. There's a couple of spots around here. This here was from something that leaked gasoline, I'm pretty sure, when that tractor had a leak. So, I don't know. Thank you. So, anyways, John Deere guys, they found the leak. And what they think did it was a rat, or just something got up there and just kind of chewed it. So the machine is ready. The tractor is ready. It's ready to come back to its nice shed. It's just ready to be home with the Hondas, its friends, you know. Oh, no, just kidding. So, ready to have it back, guys. It'll be nice. Won't have to use this thing to haul stuff or that thing. But I just started that thing for the first time in about a week and a half, so. Yeah, we're going to get things back to order. And then Friday, they said at the earliest they can have it back. And so, I know it's out of the rain, so that's good. But, yep, so they replaced the fuel line, they replaced the belt, and they did some adjustments. And now it's ready to come back home. And they checked everything out. Engine sounds good, they said. So everything else is great. No problems. So, we'll just have to see, guys. I know my nose is running really bad, but gotta live with it sometime. But I do have, this is chainsaw chain. Chainsaw chain? No, this is chainsaw chain. And this right here, it's from the bike hitch. That didn't work out as good as I thought it would. But we've got the tractor coming back here. That's good. I am starving to death. I could eat a horse right now. Oh my gosh, the light turned on. That's the first. So I got this stuff, and this, and this. Something smells like gasoline. And it's not supposed to smell like that. Make sure this is screwed down all the way. So, yep, guys, here in a couple days, we'll give you an update on the project up the street, and we're going to give you all an update. We're possibly, in a little while, we're possibly going to be getting us a new chainsaw. So, let me know what y'all think if I get the Makita 40 volt, whatever thing it is, chainsaw. I want to know your guys' thought on that. Just because I just really need help. I don't need help, but I want y'all's opinions on the DeWalt, the Makita, and the Milwaukee. I might have said Makita, but the Milwaukee chainsaw. I want y'all to let me know. We'll get the seal running again. It's got some other problems with it. It has where the brake is. Not that cover, but the cover behind that, where the chain clutch here is. The braking system and the clutch inside of there, that casing is cracked. The carburetor is leaking. It's been running rich, as you can see. See that muffler right there? Kind of right there, those little fins are where the exhaust comes out. There's been a little bit of oil there. And then the seals on the gas tank and the here, this is where it's been sitting, guys, actually. That's where the bar is sitting, where it leaks from the oiler, and then that's probably from gas. So, because the gas is on the back, so that leaks some, and the oil deal leaks. So, I've got to look at that maybe sometime. But, to be honest, guys, who gives a darn crap about that chainsaw, man? That thing has caused me so many problems, so I'm just not going to worry about it anymore. It's just done. no longer going to deal with it. Don't want to think about it. I'm just going to leave it as is. We'll look at it into the future, near future here. Oh, yeah, and also has it's managed to have a cracked cooling fin. Like one of the cooling fins on the engine has, since it took that fall, broke and snapped off. So, and then its spark plug's no good really. It still starts, but then it's just, there's a number of problems with it. And it has low hours. It's been well taken care of. It's taken a fall, but it just, So guys, basically what I want to have is a Makita chainsaw, a Milwaukee or DeWalt. Let me know your thoughts. Basically, for jobs like I have right now, the customer is either going to rent a chainsaw or I'm going to buy a new electric chainsaw, which would kind of be fun. And it's for small jobs like these, trimming these bushes and stuff, where I can just go buzz, 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 done. Plug the battery back in. And then, have it in the Husky in the garage. So, let me know y'all's thoughts down in the comments. Hope you made it to this part of the video. Hope you didn't skip half of it, but you probably did. So, well, maybe if I don't hear anything on this, I'll make a separate video. Yeah, I need y'all's help, so I apologize for my nose running. I don't have anything really to get it with, so. It's probably 30-something out here now. It's pretty chilly, so I'm going to head in, guys. And I'm going to get these lawnmowers started and put in, so we'll see you guys a little later. Anyways, bye.